learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka, but I want to eat some Hakka food right here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿明哥 Leo。Hello,
大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。对了，我肚子饿了，不要笑我啦。你是美食专家，今天就再介绍给我，就是可以回家准备的一道客家美食，好不好？
那我今天介绍这个呢，就是我们逢年过节都会吃到的
，OK，
叫做客家咸猪肉。
客家咸猪肉啊，我知道了，客家咸猪肉。This is the Hakka salty pork。到底怎么去准备这道菜呢？
这个菜就是你要准备五花肉，就是三层肉。
Of course, 三层肉 that's 三层肉，也就是五花肉。It's the 3-layered pork. It's kind of like bacon, but in a thick chunk.
然后呢，你要准备一些腐椒粒。
腐椒粒是要一粒一粒，不能是粉状的那种，对不对 ？Actually need the pepper chunks, alright? 胡椒，
然后还有盐。
就 yam, OK, those are the two main ingredients， 应该是最主要的两个这个材料的，对不对？然后怎么准备？
这个做法其实很简单，就是我们把三层肉我们穿烫过之后把它沥干，尽量不要碰到水。
OK，
然后呢，上面就是撒我们刚刚讲到的胡椒粒，还有盐，要把它撒上面。然后这时候呢，
好好的压它，对不对？
不行
，What？
你要是你去压它的话它上面就会产生一些怪味道，所以我们只能轻轻的拍它。你不能去压它
这是秘诀。
是的。
First of all, you take your 3-layered pork, you broil it until it's cooked, and then you want to dry it. Rinse off all the water until it's sort of semi-dry, and then you sprinkle on, of course, the salt and the pepper chunks. All right, but I thought you would have to press it in. Leo is saying no. You actually just sprinkle on top and just leave it there.腌大概多久呢？
腌大概3天左右就可以了。但当然啦，你如果腌久一点，它就比较咸一点。
I see. OK。
这腌制完之后呢，然后我们就可能把它稍微风干，就可以保存的比较久一点。这时候你就可以把它放到冰箱里头去。
Got it. OK. So you marinate this meat for about 3 days. All right. Of course, the longer you marinate it, the saltier it gets. So it depends on your taste buds. And then afterwards, when it's done, you want to dehydrate it in order to preserve it for a longer time and use it for other purposes.In the future too. So there you go. That's the Hakka salty pork. 客家咸猪肉怎么说？
是客家咸猪肉。
客家咸猪肉。And don't forget, there are 3 ingredients, main ingredients. The pork, 3-layered pork.
三层肉。
And then you have the pepper chunks, 就是胡椒粒。
腐椒粒。
And then, of course, salt, 盐。
Yam.
And that does it for today's eating edition of Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.